Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable DAC for your earbuds REDMI Buds 6 Pro. So we need to use developer option, because if we open the application we cannot find nothing about LDAC or another Bluetooth codecs. If you don't know how to enable developer option for your phone, at this channel we have video especially for your phone, so you can check it. After you enable it, you need to go to the settings, and then you can go to the system. Then you scroll down and go to developer option, and you need to find Bluetooth audio codecs here. But you can also use a search, and you can write codec. You will see Bluetooth audio codec located, as you can see, at the developer options. So you tap on it to just open it. Tap on it, and right now we have 3 codecs. Okay, by default it uses DAC, at least on my phone. The most important, firstly, you cannot find it at the Apple devices, because first of all, Apple devices haven't developer option, and the second one, Apple devices doesn't support LDAC. And the second one, you need to check is your phone support this codec also to use it. Now you just tap on it, and right here you can swap between codecs. So it enabled, and to disable it we need to swap to SBC or AC. Just tap the best one for you. AC is better codec, so I used this one. And to enable it you need to swap from the codec to DAC. Just tap on it also. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.